Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here and say, I think I found a perfectly new good way to leave your keyboard switches. Let me show you. So you would do everything just as regularly, take off the keycaps, take out the switches, pull them apart, put them in your separate sections. So what I found is I took my switches apart and I put all the different parts, the spring, the bottom base, the top base, and then the actual top part of the switch. I put them all in 4 different bowls. And then for each of those bowls, except for the springs, don't do the springs like this. Spray WD-40 in the bowl and then put something over top of it, and then just start mixing it and swirling it around. Just as good. Sounds just as good. And for you guys, the spacebar nerds, thank you.